Combining thick syrupy caramel with cafe latte. Today I'm making Café Espresso Crème Caramel. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks for joining me for today's video presentation. We're making an absolute classic, a French dessert. It's called Crème Caramel. It's all about a wonderful custard with a caramel base, but I'm going to go one step further and flavour it with my favourite drink, which is a very good quality Italian espresso coffee. It's a really simple dessert to make, only a few ingredients. I'm going to need a half a dozen eggs, some really creamy milk is important in this, some strong Italian coffee, some golden castor sugar, regular sugar's fine, a little bit of Madagascan vanilla extract is required too, and also just a little tiny bit of water. Now everything will be in the description box below, all the ingredients, all the quantities, and the size of the ramekins I'm using, not forgetting the time it takes to bake it in the oven. So first of all, I'm going to measure out 50 millilitres of regular cold water into my little saucepan. And then I'm going to add 3 ounces of sugar. I'm using golden castor sugar. Yes, you can use white sugar. No problem at all. I wouldn't use brown sugar, but the golden castor sugar does help the caramel get brown a little bit quicker. Give that a swirl round. I'm just going to gently reheat my milk as well at the same time. Now the caramel is going to take 8 to 10 minutes. And we're going to cook it on a medium heat, swirling it round from time to time. Eventually, you will notice the caramel will boil, and as it boils, it will become much thicker and it will slightly reduce in quantity. When it starts to become thick, as long as you don't allow it to get too dark, that's when it's ready. As you can see, we've got a lovely thick syrupy consistency. That is now perfect. We're going to divide it between our ramekin dishes. Try and make sure the bottom of the ramekin dish is covered, by the way. And once you've done that, just set that to one side while we make our custard. I'm going to put some sugar into my warm milk. The milk's not boiling, it's just warm. Give that a bit of a stir. And then I'm going to add my Madagascan vanilla extract. And we want to just throw in the fabulous Italian espresso coffee, my favourite drink. Okay, set that to one side, shall we? And now I'm going to take 6 eggs, 3 egg yolks and 3 whole eggs. And I want to beat them up really well. And once they're beaten, we're going to combine them with our coffee flavoured sweetened hot milk. Just give that a quick mix with the whisk, and then I'm going to pass it through a sieve to make sure there's no egg lumps in there. I'm going to divide that custard, our coffee flavoured custard, between our ramekins. And my oven is on 150 degrees centigrade or about 290 degrees Fahrenheit for half an hour. And I'm just going to half fill my baking tray. I should correct myself. I'm going to pour the hot water until it almost fills the baking tray. And then I'm going to cook those for about half an hour. And then we're going to take them out. Now, how do we know they're cooked? We're going to just gently jiggle our ramekins. And if it resembles a jelly, that's perfect. Right, those wonderful creme caramels have been in the fridge for about 8 hours. They've chilled. I'm now going to sit them in a boiling hot bath of water for about 4 minutes. Gently loosen the side of the ramekin with a sharp blade. And then very carefully, I'm going to turn it onto a plate. And with a bit of luck, it might come out. Let's have a little look, shall we? It's not coming out yet. Let's just move it around a little bit. Maybe just maneuver it around a little bit. Let it just loosen. Okay, that's it. Maybe twiddle it around on that plate. And eventually, there you go. It's come out. It's perfect. That is a truly fabulous dessert. It's light. It's creamy. It's perfect. It's one of those desserts that you can eat without worrying about being full. It's a perfect dessert at the end of a heavy meal. That there, it's my Café Crème Caramel, everybody. And I urge you to make it. It's a fabulous dessert. And if you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends. Leave me a comment if you want to. And also, please smash that like button. I'm going to get stuck in. I'll see you all very soon.